Okay, so we now look at the map to locate the places by using the four-figure grid reference method. And in this, as you can see, we have different red squares, and we will take the example of the square where QC is shown. Now, the square QC is having these four sides, but we will be only interested in the line it is lying to the east, that is the easting, and the easting here is 77. So we will take a paper and we will see how to give the answer to the square of QC. Now, the easting is 77, so I will first write the 77 easting. Now, this square QC is lying north of this line 99, and the northing becomes 99. In this manner, I have got the four-figure grid reference of this square where it is written QC. Let's take another example, and we take the settlement Lakhnasar. Okay. Now, in this particular settlement, we don't have the red line to the left side because, as you will see, the square should be of 2 centimeters, but there is some portion of the square, about a millimeter and a half, which is not printed. If it was slightly more taken out to the left, then you would have had the red line over here. Okay, so that red line is missing, but we all know there is a very simple way of knowing what is this red line going to be, because this red line and this red line, their numbers have to be in series. So let's see what should be the red line over here by looking at this. And before 77, the red line of the easting should have been 76. So we come back to our village which we were looking at, and before 77, what will be the easting that I have to write here for the village Lakhnasar? It will be 76. Now these little red squares, they indicate the settlement. It is not the name, it is these red squares which indicate the settlement, and these are all clustered above this red line. What is the red line of the northing? 93. So I write 93 and I get my four-figure grid reference of this little village called Lakhnasar. If you see this settlement, children, these red squares, this is the name over here, Kachawada. Now, if I ask you to give the four-figure grid reference of Kachawada, it is not the name that you have to look at, it is this red cluster. In this red cluster, you can see that the northing 95 is going in between. Some portion of the red squares are above and some portion are below. It doesn't matter. This square and this square are both accepted, but logically take the square where more settlement can be seen. But technically, if you write this square answer or this square as answer in the board, both will be considered correct. So your first was QC. The second one I did was the Lakhnasar settlement. Now the third one which we are doing is Kachawada. And in Kachawada, both of them, this is the easting here, which is once again 77. So we come back over here and write down the easting of the settlement as 77. Now, as I said that both the squares are accepted, but I will preferably take the one where more portion is shown. So this is the line of northing above which the square is found, and that line is 94. To complete my four figure, therefore, I'm going to write 77 and then 94, and by using this 7794, I have got the settlement. Now, another way in which this four-figure grid reference is important is that I give you a four-figure grid reference, for example, 8199. And I ask you that what do you see, what settlement do you see in this grid reference or four-figure grid reference of 8199. Now, in 8199, you will make an imaginary line over here in your mind, or you can do it with a pencil lightly, because these two digits, children, are the easting and these two digits are the northing. Now remember one thing to help you memorize this is, why are the first two digits easting? If you read your alphabets, you know A, B, C, D, what alphabet comes first? E. And what comes later? N. So you can remember it by this logic also, that the first two digits will always be the easting because E alphabet comes first, and the last two digits are northing because N will come after E. E, N. Now, I will first locate the easting 81. So to do that, I will again look at the top of the map and I will look at the eastings, and I find the easting 81. So that means in this row somewhere is the settlement, that is the square 8199. So I have located one part over here. Now the second part, which is the 99, the digit 99, it has to be on the left side, this side. So now I will find the digit 99, the northing 99 here, and I find it over here. This is 99. This is 81. Now when I take my finger like this from 99 and 81, where do they meet over here? So this square is the square 8199, and in this there is this village Panthavada, and there is a PO. PO is a post office, and a PS, which is a police station. So we have one little village over here, and this village is called Panthavada. Therefore, what do I find in the square over here? I will write Panthavada. And that is how we use the four-figure grid reference in two ways. One, to locate places where you will be given the four-figure and you will be then finding it in the map. And once you find it in the map, whatever type of question has been given, you will be able to find the answer in that square. Sometimes you will be given a name and then you will have to find it in the map. And once you find it in the map, then you have to give the four-figure grid reference. For example, let's take